Hello everyone. Today we will introduce you to the production process of NIKOMAX patch cords. For NIKOMAX patch cords production we use only 4-pair cable with bare copper stranded conductors. Such solution helps to provide flexibility and resistance to regular physical impacts such as bends and kinks. The first production stage is the manual termination of cable of desired length with 2 connectors. After successful termination the connectors should be crimped. Special crimping machine performs this operation immediately. Now the only thing we should do is to inject plastic compound, which forms special protective boot. In addition to nice finished look, such boot also prevents attachment point from breaks and moisture. Finished products are subject to mandatory quality control. First, visual inspection. Then comes continuity test and finally the full transmission performance test with Fluke DSX cable analyzer. Tested patch cords are stacked and then forwarded to the packaging line. Here they are shaped in tidy coils and tied with 2 wires. Each patch cord is packed in a branded bag with a label. After that, these 10 bags are placed into additional group packaging and then in transportation carton. Now you know how NIKOMAX patch cords are made. See you.